Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Nokia 105. So first press the middle button to head into the menu. Now we're in the menu, let's come all the way down to the settings here and let's go into that. Now we're in the settings, let's come down. So we get to the phone settings here and then let's go into that. Now as you can see in the phone settings, language is currently at the very top and it's currently set to English. So we can go into that and now you can select automatic, the very top option, or any language that you prefer. Once you've chosen the language you can press the middle button to select it. And now your phone, as you can see, has changed into that different language. If you ever make a mistake, you can use the symbols to navigate on your phone. So as you can see, let's come back out. You'll go to this symbol here, which will be your settings. Then you want to come down and this will be your phone settings, as you can see by the symbol. If you can't read French, then your top one will be language and we can go back to English. So that is how to change the language on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.